It's crazy times we now live in where AI has taken over jobs that usually take humans hours to complete. And if you think about this is a good thing because it means you can now become more efficient, productive, and scale your online business quickly. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this special tool called Clipwise.ai to make viral short videos without any skill or any hard work on your end. And if you take a look at the screen right now, I have personally been using this AI tool to make viral short videos on some of my YouTube channels, and as you can see, it has generated me thousands of dollars in passive income without having to do any work. All I simply need to do is to use Clipwise to generate these videos and simply upload them to my YouTube channels. So I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step in this video, and you can start making passive income online. So the very first step is to simply come over to Clipwise.ai, or you want to click on the first link in the description. And as you can see right here, you can easily create captivating animated videos for YouTube Shorts, Reels with just a text prompt. Alright, so if you scroll down here, you can see examples of videos you can create on the platform. And now you can create viral videos in just 3 steps. The first step is to simply type in your idea and select the style of video you want. Once you do this, Clipwise is going to then generate the video for you, which is then going to include a script, visuals, subtitle, voiceover, and music. And the second step here, you can now customize any of these elements to your liking. And now once you do that, you can now download the video straight away to your device and start sharing it on major platforms. So to get started, all you simply need to then do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, or you want to click on the pricing button. And now you are going to see they have very affordable plans, as you can see, starting from $25 per month up to $79 per month, which is going to give you 4,000 credits. And if you are serious about making money, this is a very tiny investment compared to how much you are going to make when your videos start going viral on these major platforms. So once you select any of the plans, all you simply need to do is to click on Get Started. You'll be able to sign up to Clipwise using your Google account. So once you create your account, your dashboard is going to look like this. As you can see for yourself, I'm currently using the Viral Lite plan. Okay, so all you then need to do once you come over here is to create your video. Here you want to then select your language right here, but I'm going to leave this as English. Then you want to come over to where it says select video type. This is where you want to select either a premium video type or a standard video type. So for me, I am going to go with the premium, and this is where you want to select the duration of your video. So I'm going to leave mine at 45 seconds. And now for this box, this is where you then want to type in an idea of what you want to create, and this is where picking a good niche comes into play. And now I'm going to show you some of the best niches to go into when promoting short videos on social media platforms. All niches are not equal. If you take a look at the real estate niche, it pays you up to $48 for every 1,000 views you get on YouTube. So these are some of the niches I currently work with, and I'm giving it to you for absolutely free so that you can get started right away. So for this video, we are going to take the health and fitness niche as an example. So all I simply then need to do is to type in a simple prompt like 5 ways to lose weight fast. Okay, so once you do this, you then want to select the type of visuals you want. And all you then need to do from here is to click on View All to see all the available visuals. So as you can see, they have various types of visuals, from documentary, watercolors, oil painting, 3D Pixar, and all that. So for me, I am going to go with this cinematic, but you can go with any one of your choice. Then you want to click on Generate. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. This is where you then want to select the voiceover you want. However, you can click on this play button to preview these voices and hear what they sound like. Okay, this is up to you. But if you want to see more voices, all you need to do is to click on View All, and you are going to see all the available voices on this platform. So for me, I am going to select this Justin voice, and all I need to do is to click on it, and you want to scroll down. This is where you are going to see the script generated by Clipwise, and you can go through this script if you want to do that. And also you can edit this script to your liking, or you can leave it the way it is. This is up to you. Right, so once you're done, you then want to click on Next. It's then going to bring you to this page where you can customize this video to your liking. As you can see, You can add any music of your choice, as you can see right here. If you want to see more music, so you can come over here and filter to any genre of your choice or any mood of your choice. Okay, this is up to you. You want to also make sure to come over to where it says caption style, and this is where you can change the caption to however you like it. So for me, I am going to change this font to something like Lato, and you can change the position of this text to anywhere you want it. So for me, I like to leave it in the center, and for the color, you can change it to any color of your choice. So I'm going to leave mine as red. And now the final thing here is to come over to the overlay. You can remove this overlay if you don't want it by clicking on no video overlay, or you can select any overlay here. This is going to depend on what you want. And now once you're done, all you simply need to do is to click on next. So as you can see right here, it brought us to this page where the video is ready. So I'm going to download this video to my device. So once you click on the download, it's going to bring you to this page where you can click on these three dots and you'll be able to download this video straight away to your device. And now I'm going to preview this video so we can see what this video sounds like.
Tired of not fitting into your jeans? Getting in shape doesn't have to be a struggle. Here are 5 science-backed tips to accelerate your weight loss journey.
First up, ditch the sugary drinks and guzzle that water. Water not only keeps you full, but it also boosts your metabolism.
So as you can see, Clipwise just created a complete video for us that we can start promoting on major platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and we can start making money right away. And I can assure you, if you stay consistent and upload at least 2 videos every single day, you will start going viral on this platform and start making money in passive income.